Hello guys, so it's another problem again. So it's a classic case of palindrome. Right, so return true if it is a palindrome, otherwise false, right? So what would happen is Madame reads same the both way, right? So the best solution for this would be to return, right, we have the S equals to equals to S, and then we just reverse it, -1. So if it is true, then what will happen is that when we reverse it, it should be same. So it should be true. Okay. So that's the elegant solution for this. Okay. So basically it should work for every other case, right? What about the solution for this? Okay. Uh, what happened over here? It seems like it's stuck, but still. Okay, let's submit. Our code has been submitted, I guess. Right. Okay. So basically they are just, some of them are doing a little bit here and there, right? So some of them, this is basically checking the type and all. Okay, so many have different solutions, but it's basically doing the same thing. Okay, so that's how we basically solve this particular problem for palindrome.